Hello lovely people, this is Palvi Kadam and you guys are watching me on my YouTube channel that's called The Dessert TV. Welcome back. Today's day is very special because today is Maharashtra Sanman 2024 आणि आज आपण जाणार आहोत कारण माझ्या काही फ्रेंड्सना नॉमिनेशन आहे, त्यांना अवॉर्ड्स मिळणार आहे आणि आपल्या मित्रांना असं स्टेजवर बघून त्यांचा इतका मोठा सन्मान होताना बघून आपल्याला तर मजा येतेच. तर आपणही इन्व्हाइटेड आहोत, आपणही जाणार आहोत. सो इन टुडेज व्लॉग यू गाईज आर गोइंग टू सी की आपण काय काय करणार आहोत, कसं रेडी होणार आहोत महाराष्ट्र सन्मानसाठी आणि तिथे गेल्यावरती काय काय गंमत करणार आहोत. महाराष्ट्र सन्मान 2024 हा माझ्यासाठी स्पेशल असणार कारण का मला तिथे गेस्ट म्हणून बोलवलंय. तर माझ्यासारख्या बरेच क्रिएटर्स आणि बरेच आर्टिस्ट तिथे येणार आहेत. तर त्या सगळ्यांना आपल्याला बघायला मिळणार आहे. मी एक लिस्ट तयार केली आहे मला आजच्या दिवसात काय काय करायचं आहे कारण आजचा दिवस भयंकर बिझी राहणार आहे. सो आय हॅव प्रिपेअर्ड अ लिस्ट. फर्स्ट आय हॅव टू गो कलेक्ट माय क्लोथ्स फ्रॉम नाविन्यास कलेक्शन विच इज लोकेटेड इन दादर ईस्ट हिंदमाता. पहिल्यांदा आपण आपला आउटफिट कलेक्ट करणार आहोत आणि तिथून माझी मेकअप आर्टिस्ट, माझी फेवरेट मेकअप आर्टिस्ट दॅट इज शिवांगी मेकओव्हर, शी इज गोइंग टू कम ओव्हर टू गेट मी रेडी अँड टॉल्ड अप फॉर दिस इव्हेंट. सो शी इज गोइंग टू कम. So before she comes, I have to collect my outfit and sit for makeup, get my hair done and leave as soon as I can because it's a red carpet event and I want to be on time and outfit is going to be bomb. You guys are going to see it. So without wasting time, let's follow the list and leave. Let's collect the outfit and come back. Chalo bye. Then we left on time to collect my outfit and here it is. Oh my god, I can't wait to try it on. And here is Shivangi. Finally, उन्होंने last moment she got ready. Thank you so much. Thank you. After sitting in one place and deciding what can go on this outfit and what not, we finally came up with this. Oh, hello guys, this is the final look. Here is Shivangi taking pictures and she will take the shot. मग काय काय ठेवलं आई बाबांनी? एवढी तयार होऊन कुठे चालली आहेस? आणि हे काय लग्न वगैरे पळून चालली? सही देणार आहे म्हणजे किती नीच मैत्रीण आहे. Two girls with these bags leaving my house. And finally our journey started for Maharashtra Sanman 2024. Happy, happy, happy. For a change, we reached on time, just on time when the show had just begun. Then we had a pep talk, like a small interview on the red carpet, discussing about the outfit, about Maharashtrian culture, and that was fun though. This event was all about information. It gave information about Maharashtra's culture, religion, traditions, and lot more. We don't really have to find an inspiration, it lies just among us. Team Sanman Maharashtra just did that. They showed gratitude towards all the ones who have contributed in serving and developing Maharashtra. Then we had fun time watching Pooja Sawant perform and we just couldn't get eyes off her. She's so beautiful. This was one of the most awaited performances. I knew that she was going to come there and I didn't want to miss watching her live again. My fellow friend Vinayak was honored. Then we met my other creative friends. I was so excited to meet them. Had a little gupshup and fun time session with these guys because I haven't seen them since a while now. Look at the enthusiasm they have for me. I mean, yeah. Why not? As we come to an end of this vlog, I would just want to say Sarange. We watched this last performance choreographed by Ashish Patil.
अति शहाणे.
So guys, thank you so much for being with me through this journey. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Leave a sweet comment and tell me what you want to see in my next vlog. Until then, okay, bye.